Okay, video number 2. I'm going to demonstrate again. I've already fixed this now by adjusting that screw and pulling this whole piece to the left slightly. And as you can see, the nasty grinding and buzzing noise is gone. Now I will let you know that after loosening these 2 screws, I pushed that to the left as I demonstrated in video 1. So when I loosened those and pushed it to the left, I went left as far as it would go and tightened them back down, put the disc in, and it still was giving me the grinding because this yellow disc was grinding on the opposite side now because I moved this piece too far. So I loosened them again and put it to the halfway point, tightened them down and tested, and voila, no more noise.